there are a lot of activities I also with club football, but still now me were small hangovers be.
Or what happening?
Na area enche we will come full trotting our club football, but I will pass one comment be and a observation my ache mean opportunity me best me send this message across, especially for omomudi English Premier League in English Premier League, era into a certain environment. Rich, se obiya ne calculations year. Who say akunya oho, because the league itself is looking for new kings. This is a league Pep Guardiola abed dominated in the last 10 years. Along the dominance, yenya coaches be a club. Then recently Mikel Arteta Oma yina juana so namawe in those 10 years, But now he's gone. Okoye situation a weja e Premier League nim ene say enkofo nye Arteta ni say he can take the throne of dominance in the Premier League. Enti ampa Arsenal na the last Premier League ni there. Ba ubusa 10 Premier League followers say can Mikel Arteta ebetimi the Arsenal dominate Premier League ni said Pep Guardiola here now make say they doubt. Now if that is the belief of a typical English Premier League follower there, then Rich a day the prefer say a kwani mu bie for any other contender sa oye ni nyoma ye a ebetimi afra akonya no. And sa ubetimi awini any season be a liga, it starts from timer ye be a transfer window no. Enti the sort of recruitment a obeye, the sort of pre-season a obenya, and ebe check the kind of season a obenya. That is the reason why say what share space in here pa. Now the Premier League doesn't boast of any so domineering manager. Every good player be able to call no chain. Inti Rogers or Villa or a big club abo because why a big player. Or to tune any see Chelsea this club so make many Alonso kwa ko ye juma. Elliot Anderson super season or ball with England. They say why a big player. Now also to tune any also a big team ako. Yes, yo, Man City abaye nye Pepo Maresca say okay, me so mako. Na me na kwa ko hwe say metime nya bibia free mu a. Amusi yo Liverpool and so they already about why na kwa ko ye adwuma they will get you get big players so say me so mako Liverpool kwa ko he. The point I want to make and say Premier League ya ba be bon season we ya ba be remi. There is no pedigree big manager bia obia anticipate say ono no obeji league no. It has come to the level where we are looking for a new king. And sa akonya to ofie na yenyen to this way na be your hene na omom ye heir to the throne the doors one rich obia ye no nyoma ye say na be edu time ye bodi na it could be him. And that is how interesting this transfer market mami enti me follow transfer market with that notion e wo me tirim say any move you be bia no is to find out if eno be man advantage going into the season. Enti do obi pe bia do obi to bia no me gidi say it will be equal. Nobody will say where Pep enti me pesa me no ko ye adwuma enti se Chelsea ba me ntie no Maresca Xabi Alonso Mikel Arteta Antonio Ayala. These are coaches, so to some extent you see them all as equal. They don't attract big boys to Omunkwa. Obia will want to work with Obia to assess how a season. This will be one of the most interesting Premier League seasons. I am sorry if I've not mentioned Karika. He's part of it. He's part of it. And see, Ebiana oversight, but Karik too. It's like Arteta. It's like Ariola. It's like Alonso, ex-footballer. When your opportunity to coach, on also having about building a legacy. It is sad. Coach is 4 at the top level of Premier League. None of them is Pep. None of them is Jose. None of them is Arsene Wenger and Sir Alex Ferguson. They are equal pedigree coaches who want opportunities to work with him to build a legacy at a big club. And see, Emma and Omaya very, very interesting. Now, Rich, mean Kensi to say this is going to be my last comment on the World Cup because minim the ABC ochina. But and then some me ba be kano say me de ruler to World Cup me ko observe ne ho na ma hwese metimi a relate in terms of lessons bi near football bi a metimi dia ma yen as Ghana for ayen so ye football ne bi ni edikan ye ko World Cup we no. And this is not the first time. What could be a Yakubiano? Rich, yenya amanyo for politicians. Our Mudiachini World Cup. Until this time around, it was same. MPs, ministers, government officials. They were with us at the World Cup. Now, Rich, may assure pa say, no. One of the things that are more observe here. Say, ye bo World Cup for USA how elite the country USA etie. Let me check this. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, I think this one is okay. Now, Rich, one of the things that you observe from all the World Cups and say more bread to become an elite country. You don't stand a chance to host World Cup. Rich, there's a link to say oh my ye. And it's a football so cost. And for instance, every country be as a in Pempi, the first thing you get in contact with airports. And the last 2 World Cups in Kwakra.
Qatar and US.
Your politicians mutu kwense mu di blasters a chako World Cup no. The first facility that welcomed you into the country no. Can you boast of it in Ghana? The airports are wherever you fight to enter Qatar and US. Shed the way welcome with the first facility you go through now. And need your politicians say mutu kwen. How did you find those airports?
Udru Kutokana, Udru Terminal 3. Kai Udru Austria.
Welcome to Vienna.
What's Airport Austria Airport.
I'm say one of the best airports in the world is Qatar Airport. Airport was SkyTrain. Takes you from one level to the other. You will appreciate these things. Number 2, because FIFA nim say about World Cup and conform mufia my so airbus country nim will use the transportation network. It be for train, it be for coin, so it be for plane. Rich, every country of FIFA be man to host the World Cup must have proper modern transportation system. And some few months ago, there were cabinet emergency meetings on transportation. Ever since the problem has not been solved. Even Timemu Fokra, what point Juma will fall to track where you so. So we are doing okay, I guess often stop it.
No, could do.
How good and your road here? Do we even have a railway network in Poor Ghana?
say I Accra Kumasi road ya can the 4 hours. Say we see man 9 hours.
Yes, now we Andrea.
9.
And for a death trap. Until I was going to come to it. Look, if a bus from Boston to Philadelphia, if a bus from Boston to Kansas, ebimu call Dallas, ebimu call Atlanta, ebimu call baby bebre, none. And I will be being an waka say, okohu pothole be an say equining yet. When we went to Qatar, you come out of your apartment, you cross the road, no one downtown. Now have a fast train to whichever stadium you want to go and watch the World Cup. Say, a crony one, I want number one here trainers are open, Uber beer, and answer boats with their cobe beer. You see proper transportation systems. Rich, we can't boast of even a quarter of it in our country. Almost for domestic flights, crowd Ghana. When you compare it to other domestic flights, baby, we must work on that. Now, security. Do US, you were so rest assured, say this is a country I've been buying. As Obi were to cry about chronim. Ghana is security to saying. And in some making, it is linked to football now. Direct. You need to have these things.
Oh, so Mekazi Ebeko Minister Krakai. Say you the nipa be kwa mama kusua de.
Yes, the police service, security service, to watch how omu dealing with crowd management. Any sano money top notch. Top notch. Security person be is approaching you to find out whether or a problem. And he found out person call. As a man also catch you a life easy. Crime rate to sense and now one number bontia will attack you and CCTV cameras all over the country. Everywhere on Nambia, you are rest assured of security. Minka said there's no crime ewa boche say Qatar crime ni ho, Ebia Brazil crime ni ho, US crime no crime wo ho. But only to 2 years no in terms of system you put in place to take care of the citizens. No more to you see the difference. Your hospitality industry, because you either so will be a ho, and as a hotel and an apartment be an Airbnb and BB. So where standards now? Now the 2 years now you clearly see. So this is a country, the hospitality industry is booming. And country, is so good an environment. Say all the elite hospitality industry will be able to see hotel or and hotel is it King Pisky, Marriott hotel ben now they okobe bia uhubino ebi okronim because that country has prepared itself to do sanoman. Then the general infrastructure. You see, Rich. See, a country be hosting World Cup, country be boboa. And yet the country's ability to show we are seeing that say you have the infrastructure to host the World Cup. And see, any transportation, any security, any airport, any bibsano man pay. But Rich, training centers, stadia, your bomb matches in honor itself. Stadia na wo baby a football fans better. Media center, Tanunim, you must meet elite standard. And Sunny am hosting tournament be say World Cup. Yet Ghana hey. Rick sebi. CAF Champions League group stage is crown. Ye bre and Sunny abo.
Me think come be catch on class World Cup dey so ko actually. We dey ka after.
Setting me back from no. Afcon class ko actually. I am talking about even CAF Champions League, CAF Confederations Cup, not even knockout draws, no group stages, prelims. And let me know, say, and you know, your friend Kennedy Bachiansa, or Sri Asante Regional Minister say, or man the Quine Quablan Cassino. Now, or did say, not CAF for buffer inspection, and no, every time more problem. Rich, and now me know, say, media ma. CAF Champions League. The last time they played, they had to bring their games to Baba Yara. And they only team from Baba Yara because Baba Yara doesn't meet it. That's what crowd they are sweating. Oh my way in your team. Infrastructure is a problem.
I got here in the castle where come on.
Rich.
And to be clear, standard.
You're calling chair.
Because of Coba now, so I'm for lighting.
And then come back. Even on the day I had Stadium Nano Crown, there was a defect with the light system. Takoya Bobo one you many a light now. Still na park no so soon. Also how any parents and waiting ya bobo ni ye. And yamina meka. We've been discussing this over the years. Obia onim Ghana sports be him say eba infrastructure dia ya bon kon. Rich Yakobo World Cups mako 5. Ye nya sika kakra free mu. Ya nkasa so throughout ye nkomodi edidi was sports mu. Obeti o yesi o ye twesike bi ato for renovation ye twesike bi ato ma ministry ni so mo fanya renovation oh ya contacted this contractor say onko renovation o baba onko renovation we sipon onko renovation at Crossport Stadium. Rich. And so still the appearance of these places and say ye twesike bi dia renovation wo
me ben chire for my 5-6 years Minty said Baba Stadium. Yeah, renovation home 3 times.
Yes.
So now, and to meet CAF standard green meeting. And to be renovation be any no.
MPP are buying say omobesi sports youth centers across the nation. Which how many of them today?
That's so fast. Yeah, you need the account.
BCC ngurem ko ho ko shay. Nancy His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Eco Voter region. So ko inspect sports facilities e ho na nya ISO enche ye bia sebi obi a odidi mfa ncheme ya ngase ye de enipa ja na egugu tamale look at what you are doing when the pictures came say baba ye picture no waduma
man tete form and omode sebi knife here man de aduane kitchen hook na
ni edi tutu from na ye bia
no ode na
aso ho ni edua asema na the NSA boss ba ka kire o ka kire say ye nyintum na yes omo sren a ye ntia say omo issues no say ye no metima ye adwuma reach in 2026. Now let me give you a classical example in the game against Croatia. Ye bo game ni we asema na Honorable Kofi Adams a guarantee interview Ghana how kan o say oni Ibrahim Mahama Stadium and Ibrahim Mahama ka say minister baby a boy this infrastructure ya team ya Ghana ni Croatia ye si akan sebi efe papa na ye bede ni esi bibi ti say e o Ghana simple na be cost rich. Sometimes you need to be exposed to these things. Last 4 years you call Ivory Coast rich. The football facilities are Ivory Coast. I don't want to make the Morocco example because they are far gone. We are talking about your neighbors Ivory Coast.
Training pitches from pitches training and your baby a bobo and baby the teams in
the quality of the grass. The quality of those pitches, only come boy, 1 billion euros. Our infrastructure, wow. Because
all African games here was Lagos. I can say Susro.
Saturday, I was listening to Joshua make analysis about the maintenance culture. So even if we are willing to build this, we've shown terrible culture of maintenance. Rich, you be beyond you. And to me say, before I'm spending only 2 minutes on the sporting aspect, no. On my kasa ye team no. Say you say you success our football mu near the World Cup no susu dia. Look, there's a correlation between a very, very healthy country ni bibia ye adwuma and say omo etumpon in their sports. Because bibia o mani mu bia etumpon, it is sports no so are carried along. It is a security here, say health sector here, say infrastructure here, say transportation ye, say hospitality ye, say security bibia okay ah. Oh yes, sports was our mind anymore. Sebi. And once say no mu yo na improvement in kwa and success na hoka. Yeah, that is the reason why I reach. There were a lot of sports programs. The moment you raise issues of sports investment, Biano, on with the normal issue like title, then people also bring their problems. You need cry, you need kania, you need hospital beds, you need way. It is telling you one thing, say, until the whole country are healthy, in shape, sports no cry, but say you have a problem because the resources and one the teacher no be anya bi o na se bi ye ho ntoya o si anko bobo si ye ho se me kwan nya o si anko bobo se me yare na se me nya hospital papa nkwa o si anko bobo se me nya adwane papa ndi ya se me ginu me security ho a how do I give my free mind to say ye anko bobo? The politicians saw it first hand. Say, every part of the country should be going well.
You see, I don't be sending message. I don't know, say, maybe Cote d'Ivoire or near idea. Or say, Marseille. A team no fly from France.
Yeah, they are. Yes.
Oh, Cote d'Ivoire.
Yes.
What is it?
It was one of them.
What is the team here about championship? If you grab a to be president.
Oh, Nancy, Barcelona legends no. I announced said they wanted to come to Ghana.
Mm-hmm.
They had to cancel it, and I think they ended up in one of those African countries.
Oh, Marseille.
Because okay, I say okay, I am Pambesameba. Now the planning committee will have to say, okay, you're matching or park They will not get it. They are not going to get any elite back. Into Ronaldinho, Gili, Rivaldo, Zavimo, Iniesta, Emba, na Unya Paka, Mbabo also. And these are charity matches. Omobo to raise funds for charity. They couldn't come. Nancy, Coach Ibrahim Tan Community Ka Konamadaro, and not one legends in the bar. But Rich, me, I saw say Omoba, Omodia Mimini Fipa and neighbor. Because the facilities here and the country itself no a mu assets na no enko yie and untimenti sade ani mfi se ube develop your sports mu now me dem anu si no Rich
am for interest or topic ni mo messages enya easy
me dem anu si no say ba sporting one na lessons in the doors me e bia me ntimi nka ni nyina enne
be chichechim kakrakra
but the first one obviously every country bia a born who modern ever walk up ni bia Rich ever a story of investment, whether investment into talent, whether investment into facility, investment into policy. There is a level of national investment into football no and into no way so no boy no. That is the reason why you saw countries the background to success now when you park so 90 minutes no and they say minor had a certain level of investment into it. And it's all nowhere. They will tell you say Ayala said 15 years ago. You bet me I can say there was not a known Norwegian or any elite football or and you wouldn't get Norway players playing for Arsenal. Norway players winning Champions League. No. Na ebi ni ho. Na more de ya Bobon more de Rosenberg. Ya ekromu teams na ni abobo na de agigigi ni ha. Ya mpa bo yan say one day we will develop. Until we started investing facilities, training centers, coaches education, sports science. No more okay, anyway, we can build this player, we can build this. We call exchange program. Now we started exporting our talents to Europe. Maybe so that they will be exposed to this thing. They will play with good players. And Helen Haaland, now RB Salzburg for no Abefano, because Red Bull for franchise no more who know so akoya se mo developing ye kakra into on the nemu no be play Dortmund on the nemu no go play. Now he goes to the World Cup. We know we have an elite player. You look at the story of Martin Odegaard. So first in Odegaard so but in kakra yesterday titina then we give him to this team or Kwano could develop here. He ended up at Real Madrid. Now captain of Arsenal. And he say was a place no more game in my now say to me a boost of Bodo Glen. I all cause upset in the Champions League. And ye wo GDA. Say you go war stage now. Ye players no sebi ensuro opponent or met me no what stage now. Look at the Norwegian team players on mobile team no. A ball Premier League. A ball leagues are papa.
Brazil.
Rich.
Brazil.
You need to have that kind of pedigree. And it's you have arrived to even have the temperament to play Brazil. But they've developed their football.
I'm on for interest. South Africa easy.
Yeah, I can say you did commander. You're sporting the end of the first one. No, Pediacan will come and discuss it.
Okay.
But first one, a proper, careful investment. We need to start investing our sporting aspects in them. We need really start to invest our sports in and make an investment. I am not talking about only money. I am talking about even intellect to have policies, governance of our sports. Work up naturally, a lot of success stories. Now, madam, and now, no, say when your communication from FIFA Hub talking about FIFA ranking after the World Cup, and for what Africa hano rich, again will be Morocco. For more social media, let me see if I can put it on our social media platform. Na obia beti nkomaya media. Rich, the kind FIFA ranking from FIFA top 10. Spain, Argentina, France, England, Brazil, Morocco, Portugal, Belgium, Netherlands, Mexico. Into Morocco at the sit.
We are seeing
now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The best guy now called 14th. Rich, you call 14th during President Kofo's time. A day, and I'll carry about President Kofo and Osafo Mafo. Proper investment.
Yeah.
Now,
that time you been 100,000.
Yes. That time go for Stakwa Damai, Mu, and you now on board. Yes. Proper investments. And in Africa, Morocco is doing proper investment into their football. Women's football, Morocco estimated $200 million into women's football alone. And the money they look at them and far calculator. Now, as soon as I saw and say, gradually,
we are seeing now
they are in the top 10 of the world, and they are beating countries like Portugal,
Belgium,
Netherlands, Belgium. That is where Morocco has got into. Investment.
Fair, I'll say another major problem we face as a country is maintenance. Prince Atta Opoku, I'll say Ayala, our problem is wickedness and leadership sense of reasoning. We have poor maintenance issues, and our best bet is for the government to give our football infrastructures to private entity. And also Ghana. Just who the enemy did chat on and so I say America and Europe